the culprit. It is 7 AM and we're off on a road trip. But when the car's fully loaded up with a bunch of people in, it rubs, so we're just taking the spaces off because we can't be bothered to deal with scraping for the next 5 hours. So the mission of today is a photo shoot for all the new clothes, but we thought we'd like do a video, ride some bikes, kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
Thanks for the invite, by the way. Oh, I thought you were looking for punky models bikes with like tats and stuff.
You've got one here.
Yeah, I know, but you could have 2.
I said we'd look too similar, wouldn't we?
Yeah. We got the BMXs. Looking fresh.
Just started raining, nice.
Just started raining. As always, let's fucking go. What are we saying then?
Going to Wales to some waterfalls to take some photos, and on that journey we're going to stop off at some skate parks and ride some bikes.
Sounds like
gonna be a great day.
That actually does sound like a really good day.
Great day.
So, we've got an hour and 40. We might hit skate park first.
Yeah, 1 on the way. Let's go.
Wales, here we come. Story of our bloody life at the moment. Wet skate parks. Ay. This is Monmouth Skate Park. We drive through this anyway to get to where we're going, so we just thought we'd stop off, but it's fucking wet.
I think it's almost a little bit too wet.
A little bit too wet, yeah. This is one of the hoodies we're shooting today.
Very fresh.
So, we're gonna go find some mountains. Where should we head next? Abergavenny.
Abergavenny.
Let's get going. Look at the text on it.
Oh yeah, Jappy boy.
I'm getting that.
JDM.
Great. What about Moose Energy? Moose juice.
Moose juice. Moose juice. Oh, big fat poos juice.
These are the best crisps in the world. I'm not very stoked about this because Costa is the worst. Whoa. Oh yeah. How have they done it? This is what I don't understand. How have Costa made the worst coffee in the world but also managed to be everywhere?
Let's go!
Yo, this looks well sick.
Look how old like the concrete is.
This is a very weird setup. This thing looks absolutely mint.
This edge looks aggressive, doesn't it?
Oh! Switch Phoebes down that and then you just absolutely cane it off the end.
That actually shows how steep it is. This is pretty fucking gnarly.
I could actually ride this all day. This whole video is going to be us pro walking wet skate parks. Let's get the bikes, fuck it, come on.
Oh, here we go. Yeah. Oh. Turn down this big thing.
Oh my god!
Yeah. 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 Oh no! Oh!
That couldn't have gone any worse.
Oh! I stepped straight on that. Pedal slip and then stood straight in that.
Nice. We're both wearing the same t-shirt.
It's nice, that. I had a rumour that full restock on the website.
I had that rumour too, actually.
Yo!
What should I do on that hip? T-bog. I never do T-bogs really. Or Nos bar.
Nah, T-bog.
T-bog, right, cool. Ready? One bang.
Oh my fucking. Yeah, dog, that's sick. Hold that.
That's scary as fuck doing the bar on there. I'm gonna hop on this, go down, 180 off.
That 180 is going to be rapid though, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh my god, fucking hell. I can't believe you just done that.
That's actually scary. The 180's not, it's just the fucking angle of the ledge.
It looks fucking horrible to me.
If you 180 straight, you go straight into this ledge. So you gotta come off like there. That's where I was aiming for.
It's tight.
Yeah. That's it, yeah, that was perfect, minus the chink. Right, I'm gonna do last trick, tail whip up, bar spin in.
Oh, fuck me.
I'm so good at it.
Bruh, what is that?
Chubba Chubs, Japanese grape, sparkling grape.
That's ridiculous. I'm fucking. Oh, got some sunglasses.
Unreal. That's mint.
It's not mint, it's great, isn't it?
Grapey mint. We were going to try and find some mountains and hills, but this skate park was kind of on the way. This is Brecon skate park. We thought we'd stop by, have a look, do a couple of tricks. It's got a mini, a hip there. It's got this tiny little fun box set up with a tiny ledge, an oversized flat bank, which has no business being that fucking tall. And then a square ass janky rail. Let's go.
Oh, baby.
You look like you should own like a BMX company. Oh yeah, it's also really, really windy here.
Yo, that'd be cool.
Definitely didn't enjoy that skate park. At least we know never to come back to Brecon skate park.
Yeah.
Sick, let's go.
There's windy mine, isn't it? Fucking hell, man! I'm getting leg workout trying to fucking keep this door open. That snapped the bastard thing off the hinges. I'll be fucked.
Oh, fuck me.
If it ain't rain, it's wind, isn't it?
Yeah, what's more annoying than rain?
Wind.
Yeah.
Oh no, because if I dig, I was just gonna stand.
Is it? Where are we? Apparently this road is mint.
Penny fan.
Penny Fan.
Somewhere around that sort of area.
Sport mode? With the bikes on?
Oh yeah.
Lush.
Does all this car, doesn't it?
Big dirty reservoir.
Yeah, that's where it's down there.
Nice. How hard did you strap the bikes on?
Hard.
Good. Hold on, Al.
Oh, baby.
Here we go.
Don't be fucking off there, baby. What the fuck?
Wales is actually the best place in the world. Oh, fuck it. There's one pulling in here.
Aye, 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 Shaggy.
That was a big pothole. Woo! Oh my god, so windy though. Nah, I'm just having a little look. Look-see. That needs a photo. The clouds are literally there.
Yeah, look right.
Oh my god, look at these horses.
We're going to take some photos next to some wild horses.
Yeah, that would be pretty cool.
They will kick you in the head there.
This is like the next level up from like, you know when you see sheep on the road, like in Wales.
They're mini as well.
Oh, little ponies.
This is basically how you get product photos in Wales.
This is the hoodie in there. It's the best hoodie you've ever made.
You love it, don't you?
Fucking love it.
I do actually really like that.
So nice.
We went with like it's like silver almost. It's like not white.
It's fucking lavish.
Silver. It's cool.
It's well good.
We also do the embroidered hoodie in grey as well. So this is the grey version, grey and black versions. If you want to get
Blacks. They're just so like clean and
just lush
nice.
I think we're gonna go and try and find some like waterfalls and get some cool photos there. Nah, this is a good thumbnail. Al, come here. Get here now.
Tell me where to do it.
Forward. There.
There, alright.
Nice.
Give me an absolute flyby. Dial bike, innit?
Oh, good luck.
Let's go hiking.
Next location, brother.
So outdoorsy today.
This is why I like getting out. This is literally the whole point in the summit and the rise hoodies was literally this. Just get outside.
Yeah.
It's mint. Got the fresh jogs on. Comfort hiking. 17 minutes. Are you fucking joking?
Is that where we gotta go?
I don't know.
Well,
Sugklungun.
that's the car park, isn't it?
Fuck me, daddy!
Whole of Wales heard that. Oh, there it is.
Walk in the middle.
You bloody drunk. Look at that model, that is. That's actually a fresh outfit. Not anymore.
Oh, fuck. I did it up. It stinks like a brick wall.
It's like you want what you can't have.
Yeah.
You can't have a
So
shit.
I'm not like that fast because I know I could just run into the woods and have a shit.
You're quite a shit in the woods type guy though, aren't you?
I'm rural.
Rural poor. Andy's the type of guy that brings fucking toilet roll on a road bike ride.
Yeah.
And he stuffs it in his pants.
That's clever.
It is clever, but I've never needed to drop my pants and have a shit that bad. Like I can wait. We go stand on the other side of that tree, I'm gonna throw this to you.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Hey! We are here, so we are next to Sugklungun. Whoa!
Wow. Got me down there.
You sketchy motherfucker. Look at the drop mind.
Look at that, man. No one goes to the middle, they go for the end.
Yeah, middle's the best shout.
Perfect. Oh, it's clean as a whistle. I know what you got already. Oh!
It's the longest shit in the world.
You hit the bastard thing.
It moved it like 3 inches.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Come these shoes were?
Fair bet. If anyone knows what they are.
We are on top of some gnarly place. It's getting dark, we're just shooting the last of the photos. A car is on fucking springs.
That's how they clean themselves, isn't
How did I never know that?
it? Water goes in, then it cleans itself and just run over it.
No way. Right, so we're shooting
Oh yeah, we've got a little beanie on.
the green beanie and
The one.
the embroidered hoodie. And now I've got the grey embroidered. Oh, that looks so good. Right, shoot a photo, don't get killed. Shall I do a hot bar in the middle of the road?
Yeah.
There. Oh. Imagine mobbing down this hill.
Oh.
I actually can't put my hands. My knuckles just clicked. Wales, you've been mint, as always. Nice one, boys.
Bushel Brothers.
Nice one.
Good day.
A very good day. It's cold and windy. Woo! Should we go home?
Better, hadn't we?
Bad.